Ah. Ah. You know? The horse, the donkey, and the elephant. Yeah, there they are. And years, and millions of years back then, God, when he was alone there, developed all these animals and was throwing seeds. Exploding seeds, exploding plants, developing all the trees. And maybe, I think so, we as human beings developed a little bit later, but then there we are. In between, there were dinosaurs, as you can see on stage sometimes, where these dinosaurs, X-rays, what are they called? T-Rexes. Hello! Wow! No, I'm louder. Wow! Wow! They don't live anymore, you know? But we do. So, I invite you to this challenge. Roaring or even singing. Mama! As you know. Have a great day!